Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. In this video, we're gonna talk about Grok 4.5, how to use it free, how to install on Windows, and we will do some real world projects to compare it with other models as well. So one more disclaimer that our last video was completely blown away by the YouTube. They are not putting it back. So they are telling us you are trying to scam the people. I don't know how I am scamming the peoples. My whole day is like searching for free tools, and if I found some free tool which are like really helpful, I make a video on. So I'll be making more such videos, don't worry. One The last thing can happen is the YouTube channel will be blown away. That's completely okay. Let's come to the Grok 4.5. So it was launched yesterday, I think, and it is a direct competition to Opus 4.8, as you can see that, as they are showing us, because it was like it can be benchmarked as well. So it is surpassing 4.7 and GLM 5.2 model, and they are showing us it as the Opus 4.8 direct competition. So we will try something, and the one thing is this: if you go to the grok.com/plans, you can get 7 days free trial. Just add your credit card and you will be like getting 7 days free trial, and make sure you cancel the subscription before like 7 days, so you will get it completely free. And as I have the subscription, premium plus subscription of x.com, that's why I'm getting it completely free. So installation is very easy. Copy this command and open a terminal and paste it in here, and it will install the Grok on your system. So as you can see that the Grok has been installed. Now I will write the Grok, it will launch. So in your case, it will open a browser window, and you will click the continue on the browser window. That's then you will be able to log into your like Grok. In my case, I have earlier login, and it like fetched those auth.json file. So first thing we need to create is, this is the directory. We created a snake game earlier. Let me show you. So this is the snake game, and in the one go, let me show you the prompt also. In the one go, this kind of game is created. If you will ask me, I can promise this is the one of the best game also, created with the single prompt in the snake case. So now we will be like using some prompts to generate the some beautiful websites. So the first prompt is this. It will it should create a landing page, beautiful dark modern landing page for a SaaS project. So let it build it, then we will come back. So it took 2 minutes 14 seconds, and let me give it another prompt to create a e-commerce website for a minimalistic like watch website. So we will create we will give it a prompt, and let's check out the pulse created by it. And this is the design this created. Let me show you again. And it's like very general or generic design. We will not say it is a best design, but it is very like okay design, above average if you will ask me, as all the links are working as well. Okay, so it is very like above average, so we can say that it is like a direct competition to at least Opus 4.6 and 4.7 also. Let's see, let's wait for the another design to come up. So as you can see that it took 1 minute 56 seconds to create another design. Let me give it one more prompt to create a beautiful like studio website. Let's see the designs. Okay, so this is the design created by it, and the images fetched by the Grok already, and the images are very beautiful. And if you will ask me, GLM 5.2 missed the some images and like was doing some things wrong, and it is like failing on the header section because it is not looking beautiful. It should be in the middle. And if we will see all the website, the images fetched are very good and placed very very well, and the website like impress me. Let's see the add to cart works or not. Yes, the add to cart is also working. That's a good thing. Okay, so it is like a direct competition to Opus 4.6 and 4.7 till now, as I am assuming it. I can be wrong as well. So let's for the wait for the another design also. So as you can see that our third website is also ready. Let me give it one more prompt to create a landing page for a mobile app, and let's see the design it made. It made the Nova, I think. Yes. Okay. Okay, the horizontal scrolling is working, but the one image is missing. Okay, let's see the design. Okay, the design is fine, and if you will ask me, the GLM 5.2 did a very good task, and it also did a very good task, but not better than GLM 5.2. Like in this, if you compare in this Nova.html design, so let's wait for the another one. So as you can see that our this design is also ready. Let me give it last prompt, and let me see the bloom html file. Okay, it is also well and good, like much more beautiful than glm 5.2 model, and it really impressed me, and I will be using the grok 4.5 in one of my like loose end projects. I will try on the startup project because we can fix it with like better models. So this is like very good. Okay, so let's wait for the last design. So our last design is also ready, and as we talked earlier, we will try to create this one also using this prompt as they have gave us on their website. And let me give it, and let's see now our last website, which is like the Ember restaurant, and let me explore it a little bit. Okay, they gave a scroll bar while the GLM 5.2 did not give a scroll bar, and this website is also like pretty good and very similar to GLM 5.2 in some cases. And yes, we can use this model as a premium tier model because it is a direct competition to 4.7 as they are claiming, and I pretty much agree with it. And I'm not saying that it's like a completely a rock line, because we will use it in the real world cases. We will build application with it, mobile application and the real world SaaS project. Then we'll come up with a proper conclusion. For a simple like landing pages and simple designs, it is pretty much good, as you can see that. Now let's wait for our last design, and we will see how much like it is make to the project very similar to this one. And let's wait. So you can see that it is like built our last project. Let us see the universe.html. Okay, you can see that the sun isn't that good, so it could be the benchmarks, as I have already told you in the starting of this video, because the companies or AI companies are trying to benchmark the like models. So it is one of the case because the same prompt was given to the same model, and now the see the output. Clearly there is a very much difference in the output, as you can see that. So now let us check how much uses it used in our like 5 to 7 project, almost like 1 lakh tokens. Let us see the uses. Okay, the users limit is still 0. I don't know why. Let me refresh it. So usage is completely 0. That's a good thing. I don't know they are giving it free or not to the premium subscriptions as well. So this is how you can use the grok 4.5, and you can prepare your mindset where to use the grok 4.5 model according to you by watching this video, because I have showed you the different scenario in which we use the 4.5, and I will make a video in like 4 to 5 days by using it in on some real world project, and then I will come with a proper conclusion you should use it or not. For now it's a good model to use, and I'm not saying like it is not a promotion video. I'm saying it with my own experience for 1 days. So let's wait it and make sure you subscribe, and I need your support because the youtube is blocking the video. I don't know what's the reason. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.